Hi guys, I'm so excited because today I'm going to be trying an Angelina Jolie makeup and I'm going to be actually following a tutorial that was uploaded by Emily D. Donato. So let's just get right into it. So first things first, I'm just applying foundation using the Makeup Forever HD contour palette. It has like different blush shades and concealer / foundation shades, and you can just really mix a few shades according to your skin tone. Then I blend it with a beauty blender because I noticed that whenever I blend with a brush, my skin breaks out, so I just tend to avoid that. I mean, I do clean my brushes, so anyways, now it's time for concealer, and the way that the makeup artist did it is she took it right from the nose and pulled it out, and then I blend the concealer, and don't forget to blend in the deeper areas in your inner eye corner and stuff. As for the eyebrows, the way that she did it is she tried to make it as arched as possible, and I'm trying to achieve that now with my natural eyebrow shape. And I mean, I'm just kind of focusing on filling in the eyebrows in a linear way, and then with the concealer I try to carve it so that there's as much of an arch as possible, and she maintains sort of like a thin eyebrow. I applied some eyebrow mascara, and then I went ahead and just brushed it up and fixed the hairs manually with the brush, with this spoolie. And then I noticed that my right eyebrow is not completely symmetrical to the left one, so I went ahead and fixed that, and this is the final look. So she takes kind of a dusty brown or cool tone brown shade and just applies it all over the lid and takes it out. And honestly, this entire makeup look made it look like I have so much lid space. It made it look so much bigger, and I really like that. And the main thing about the look is the eyeliner. So she used a pencil eyeliner, and since I don't have that, I just used eyeshadow. I mean, it created exactly the same effect. So you start at the inner corner and you slowly take it outwards until you create the wing, and you make it point upwards, literally. So as you're applying your eyeliner, try to smudge it out a little bit with the brush, because you want to create a smoky look, kind of. And take it to your lower lash line, but only make it so that the line reaches the middle of your eye. Don't take it all the way until your inner corner. We're not doing that today. So I got another brush and I am just smoking it out even more. And now she used a liquid liner where she only applied it to the lower half of the wing. She didn't want to take it all the way up, because then what was the point of smoking it out? And just take a really black mascara and just apply that. And now I'm just applying lashes to the outer corner of my eye just to elevate the whole look, and it's just so much softer when you apply it only at the end of your eye. So now it's time for nose contour, and initially what I did is I took the same eyeshadow color and applied it as a nose contour, but I mean, because that's what she did in the video that this was inspired by. But then I realized that it just wasn't working out so well. Oh, and I tried to blend it with another brush, and it had black eyeshadow, so I fixed it with a beauty blender after wiping it a little bit with some makeup remover. And side note, you always have to blend your nose contour with a beauty blender. It makes it so much softer and better. So yeah, back to the shade. I ended up just taking the Benefit bronzer because it's the one I always use and it's just much better, and it actually looks like a shadow, like it looks more natural. And yeah, obviously went back with a beauty blender and blended all of that. And as for bronzer, you know, we're trying to achieve Angelina's jawline or cheekbones, so just softly apply that and don't be too harsh. I mean, you can always build up your contour, you can always build up your makeup, but it's just so much harder to soften it. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right here, just going a little bit slowly and blending it more and more with the brush. And just take that contour or like bronzer down to your chin and your jawline. It always creates like this nice shadow and defines your jawline. And as for the blush, she actually applied it like right on top of the bronzer, and I've noticed that like with a lot of like makeup tutorials, like it's more of a recent thing and it's really pretty. And now just really sharpen that like contour, like really fix it up with the concealer or foundation. I went again with the Makeup Forever contour palette because it's like, it's so helpful and it's so multi-functional. And yeah, I made the mistake of applying makeup directly on my pimple, but yeah, I tried not to aggravate it. And now to the Angelina Jolie lips, her iconic, popular, famous lips. So first I applied concealer and then I went in with a soft nude shade, just lining my lips normally as I would every single time. But the difference with this look is I'm actually going to be using powder to, like a powder shade, to create kind of like a contour. Also added my little touch right there where, you know, I put a line in the middle of my lower lip. Yeah, but this is the same like bronzer shade, and I'm just applying it like on right at the cupid's bow and just softening it with like a brush and concealer and blending that with my fingers. I've never tried that before, but I mean it's kind of nice, not gonna lie. The final result is really nice. And basically with like a slightly sharp brush, I'm just applying that same bronzer shade all around my lips, just kind of replacing that lip liner with the brush, with the contour, the bronzer. But yeah, I mean overall it's really, really nice. It's kind of different, and yeah, I'm just adding that final touch of that beauty mark because why not? And just apply a little bit of powder softly, like all over your face, because you want the look to be kind of matte. And yeah, that's literally the final look. It is really pretty, it's really nice, it's different. I like trying out like celebrity makeups and seeing how it turns out on me and how it ends up looking. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and share it with your friends. Bye!